Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're doing today, we're about 3/4 of the way through rebuilding a 75 cubic foot stainless steel Patterson Kelley blender. It's going into a chemical application, so the shell is externally painted, so it helps with cleaning, dust sticking to the outside of the shell, things of that nature. It's got a rebuilt motor on it, new brake system, all new bearings, fabricating new covers, have a new valve for it. And you can see, of course, it's been completely stripped and repainted. The guards, which will cover the main bull gear and spur gear assembly. Light coating of grease over all the surfaces. I'm going to test run for a few hours. The drive assembly running on 440 volts right now, which will be the required voltage once the unit's in place. We have lots of blenders in our stock, including all types: conical, twin shell, ribbon, paddle, and others. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for joining us today.